Today's beaded bracelet comes high on the fabulous factor. We use a simple beading technique and add lots of sequins to get a double wrap bracelet. So we make sure all eyes will be on our wrist. Keep watching and have fun. So for our beautiful bracelet, it goes like this around the wrist twice. We are going to use the herringbone technique. For this one we have used 4 beads, so 2 stacks of 2 beads, and we add sequins every other 1, 2, 3, 4 beads, and we get this beautiful bracelet. I am using 11/0 seed beads and 2mm sequins, so the 11/0s and the 2mm sequins with the usual beading needle and the Nymo thread. For my clasp I'm using the usual combination of ring without any cut and the jump ring, and then from this jump ring we can attach the clasp we prefer. In this case I have used the lobster clasp. So let's start our basic herringbone. We pick up 2, 3, 4 seed beads, and we close them in a circle, and this would be the stack of 2, one of them. Then we go around to reinforce, so here we have the first 2 with the tail coming down towards us. The working thread is in the opposite direction, and we go down. And now when we have the working thread and the tail in the same direction, we pick up 2 seed beads and go back through the last 2. We reinforce, and go up. And now we can add the 4th set of 2 seed beads, and reinforce, so here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. We fold, and now we connect the 1st and the 4th set of 2 together. So let's fold it. And again reinforce. And here we have the starting point for our herringbone rope. So this is the base ready, and now we continue with our usual circular herringbone. So we pick up 2 seed beads, go down the next one, up from the bottom up, and we add the second set of 2. So pick up 2 seed beads and go down. We go down 1. And now we have to step up because it's a circular work. So you came down 1 and we go back up 2. It's exactly how the thread positions itself. And this is the step we repeat. In this moment we have 1, 2, 3 stacked beads. So 2, go down, rotate, go up from the bottom up, and now we add the second set of 2. Pick up 2, go down the next. Here we have finished this level, so this means that we went down 1, go back up 2. We always need to have equal number of beads when we have finished the step. Let's quickly make one more row. So pick up 2, go down 1, up 1, and pick up 2, down 1, and step up and go up 2. Now let's add the sequins, and we pick up sequin, seed bead, seed bead, sequin. So it looks like this. And now we continue with the usual herringbone. Go back up 1, here we must make sure that there is no extra thread left. And now we pick up sequin, seed bead, seed bead, sequin. And go down 1, And now we step up, meaning that we have to go back up the last 2 seed beads. So don't even think about the sequin to count it for the step up. It's like this. And now we make sure there is no extra thread left there. And now we continue with the usual and here when we step up we make sure that our thread doesn't go under the sequin but comes over. Okay, so just like this. And this is how we add the sequins. We actually catch them in between the beads. And now we continue with adding the seed beads, the plain row with seed beads only. And now we step up. At all times the thread must have a good tension. Okay, let's make another one, 2. As you see, the rope builds up very quickly. And now we step up. And here I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here you can decide to go for more than 4. For my beads, I thought that 4 is a nice interval to show the sequins. As you can see here, the sequins have slightly different shades, so I have alternated the shades of the sequins with every step. Let's make another step. Sequin, 2 seed beads, sequin, go down 1, up 1, and now we add again sequin, seed bead, seed bead, sequin, go down 1, and step up carefully through the seed bead, sequin, seed bead. Now we make sure that we take all the slack out, and we continue with a simple row, a plain row, and we make sure that the thread is not caught under the sequin. Go one up, two, one down, and now we step up. And here you are. I hope you like the technique. Is basically modified, let's say, herringbone, where we have sequin in between two seed beads when we build the herringbone sequence. And just because it's so beautiful, and I must say that at the beginning I thought that sequins are quite harmful. They are very soft and there is no straight edge. It's a pleasure to wear them. I wouldn't have imagined that sequins can be so gentle when worn in this manner, I mean. So I hope you like this. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, and see you with our next tutorial. Ciao, ciao!